Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about growing rose mallow. So rose mallow is a type of hibiscus plant and it falls under the mallow family. They're also called hardy hibiscus plants. They look a little different than the regular hibiscus plants that we grow here, but the care and maintenance is pretty much the same. They come in a range of colors and they bloom a lot, so it is a great addition to your garden. Just like regular hibiscus, they bloom pretty much all year round and especially from spring to autumn. Look at the dark red color, they really look amazing. I also have a yellow variety which also looks stunning. Before we discuss more, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. So one of the most unique things about this plant is the leaves. They look very different from the regular hibiscus varieties. The leaves are almost star-shaped. These are sun-loving plants, so no matter where you live, plant your hibiscus in a location where they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They will flower more if they get lots of sunlight. You can give them afternoon shade to protect them from harsh sunlight during the extreme summer. They can be grown in container very easily. You should choose at least a 10 to 12 inch container so they can grow well because they grow tall and bushy. My plant is in an 8 inch container for now. I will be repotting it later. When you are planting them in a container, make sure you repot them at least every 2 years when they get root bound, otherwise the plant will not flower that much. Usually they grow in any kind of soil, but for best results, choose a well-draining, rich potting mix because these plants will need a lot of nutrition to flower well in the container. With your soil, mix good quality compost or cow manure. You can also mix cocoa peat if you live in a very hot and dry climate. As weekly feed, add mustard cake or banana peel liquid fertilizer. In every 2 months, you can apply 2 to 3 tablespoons of bone meal to encourage flowering. Don't fertilize them during the winter months. At the beginning of spring, add a layer of compost to boost new growth, and that will be all. Now these plants are quite hardy and drought tolerant, but they need good watering, so water them well and regularly to keep them healthy. During winter season, don't water them too much, only water them when the soil gets dry, that is their dormant period. Pest can be a big issue for this plant. Hibiscus plant get a lot of pest attacks and one of the most common pest problem is mealybug. If not looked after, they can even kill your plant. You can see my plant has it too. They can also get attacked by aphids, caterpillars and spider mites. So you should spray them with a good organic pesticide regularly. I spray them with neem oil. You can also spray shampoo water to remove mealybugs. If the pest infection gets too serious, then you can use any suitable chemical pesticide. Proper pruning is very important to keep them in shape. You should cut any dry or diseased branch regularly. And in spring or in monsoon, you can give them a hard pruning. That is the best time for pruning. This will encourage new growth and more flowers. You can also grow new plants from cuttings. They can be grown from cuttings very easily. So that is all you need to do to grow these plants. They're definitely a must-have in the garden. So grow them, enjoy, and if you liked my video, do give it a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye!